Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to redeem Amazon gift card on Paxful. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by clicking open a web browser. Into the URL box appearing at the top, type in www.paxful.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you're logged into your account. If you're not, go to the login button at the top right hand corner and give it a click. Enter your credentials for your Paxful account, that is your phone number or your email followed by your password, and click the login button after you are done. Complete the verification puzzle and you'll be logged into your Paxful account. Once you're logged in, go to the buy button at the top left hand corner and give it a click. Make sure you are in this buy page, and now click on the drop down and select what you would like to purchase with your Amazon gift card. In my case, I'm choosing Bitcoin. Right where you can see pay via, click on the box and select gift cards tab from the pop-up. From the options displayed beneath, click on Amazon gift card option, and once you've selected Amazon gift card as your payment method, go ahead and type in the amount you are willing to spend in order to buy Bitcoin with Paxful. First, make sure that you choose your fiat currency by clicking on this drop down and selecting one of the options. Enter the amount that you are trying to spend. You can choose offer locations and finally click on find offers at the bottom. Now you can find several offers from the vendors on the next page over here. Click on one of the offers that is suitable for you and click buy. On the next page, complete your transaction and you'll be able to redeem your Amazon gift card on Paxful. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.